Did you know God likes to garden? I mean, here we are in the spring of the year, at least in the northern hemisphere, and I'm reminded of that in a number of ways. Because sometimes we've been trapped in our homes because of the present distress, haven't been able to get out, and maybe you haven't been able to get into your garden. Sometimes the stores haven't been open, you can't buy the seeds, the plants, you can't really get going, and that can be discouraging. It can be discouraging in a number of ways. But one of the things that's interesting is God is gardening, and He knows your challenges. He understands the difficulties. He understands when we're down and discouraged and depressed. And He has the answers, and it actually lies within that metaphor of gardening. I ran across this passage in Ezekiel 36, verse 9. God says this to Israel as they're coming out of captivity, and in a way, He's saying it to us since we've been quarantined and captive in a way. God says this, "For indeed I am for you, and I will turn to you, and you shall be tilled and sown." God's going to till up the ground of our life soil, and He's planted His word, His way, and He's going to be sure we grow. So turn to God, turn to the ultimate gardener, and look to Him because He is with us. He'll never leave us and forsake us, and He's going to make sure that His garden will grow. That's BT Daily. We'll see you next time.